In the recent years in particular, we've seen a bigger interest in concussion within rugby. Concussion has been linked with an increased susceptibility to the development of neurodegenerative diseases, which includes things like Alzheimer's and dementia. So my research looks at how concussion affects brain function across the lifespan. So we took a professional rugby team down in Cardiff and I identified a battery of tests that we thought would be sensitive to pick up subtle changes in brain function. So we monitored them over a course of an entire rugby season to see whether there were subtle changes for those athletes that have had a concussion in that time period.
The link with the University of South Wales is essential. Certainly sort of with an interest as I have in concussion and Tom having a research project ongoing in that very topic, it seemed a marriage made in heaven. Player welfare is number one, over and above everything else, so that this partnership is extremely important.